Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. This is your 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, August 4th, 2025. The general situation. Warm, moist, southeasterly winds on the eastern side of a nearby surface trough will bring periods of cloudiness and keep showers and thunderstorms in the forecast today. The weather. A mix of sun and clouds with isolated showers or an isolated thunderstorm possible this afternoon. Mostly fair with isolated showers possible tonight. Advisory. A heat advisory is in effect. Winds east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots. Seas, Caicos Bank and Atlantic near shore, 3 feet or less. Atlantic offshore, 2 to 4 feet. The daytime high temperature is 91 degrees Fahrenheit with a heat index of 108 degrees Fahrenheit. The overnight low temperature is 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset is at 7:26 p.m. The next low tide is at 11:04 a.m. and the next high tide is at 5:52 p.m. The extended forecast. Moist and unstable air from a tropical wave will continue moving across the islands, keeping showers and thunderstorms in the forecast through midweek. High pressure will build in behind the wave, bringing more stable and settled weather starting Thursday. Tuesday, a low chance of showers or an isolated thunderstorm in the late morning or early afternoon, partly to mostly cloudy with a high near 92 degrees Fahrenheit. Tuesday night, a low chance of showers in the evening, partly cloudy with a low around 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots. Seas, Caicos Bank and Atlantic nearshore, 3 feet or less. Atlantic offshore, 2 to 4 feet. Wednesday, isolated showers possible in the afternoon, partly to mostly sunny with a high near 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Wednesday night, fair with a low around 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds easterly at 10 to 15 knots. Seas, Caicos Bank and Atlantic nearshore, 3 feet or less. Atlantic offshore, 2 to 4 feet. The tropical weather outlook. Active systems. Tropical storm Dexter is located over the northwestern Atlantic Ocean and will move away from the U.S. coast and stay north of Bermuda. Central Tropical Atlantic. A tropical wave moving off the west coast of Africa is currently producing only limited shower activity. A tropical depression could form by the latter portion of this week as it moves generally west-northwestward across the central tropical Atlantic. This system has a medium chance of tropical development over the next 7 days. Off the southeastern United States. A broad area of low pressure is forecast to develop in a couple of days a few hundred miles off the coast of the southeastern United States. This system has a low chance of tropical development over the next 7 days. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Monday, August 4th, 2025 by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Wednesday.